Hi, these are some things I've been working in the last days. Let's say you want to share a way for a user to search data in a table. So I created a CSV source, a select that shows data in a table, and it filters from a form. So if the first thing I implemented is if you control click and set read only on a card, it will do it for all. So the first thing I could do is to just share this, and I will get something pretty good. The problem is that at the end I will have these cards that are intermediate, are needed, but I don't want to share them. So one thing I could do is use the basket and drag to another deck that only has the things I want to share, set to read only, and then I can share that one. This is a good one too, and it will kind of solve the problem. The problem with this one is that every time I want to share a page like this, it's not a dashboard because it's vertical like a document, is that I have to create a separate dashboard with the things I want to share and set them all to read only and then share them. So the solution is to add a new type to the card collection. So what I do here is I can drag the form and the table to a collection and select this new type called list, which will share them in a vertical document style. So I can name this match search and share it. And now in the same deck, I have one card that has the vertical layout and the order of the things being shared. But some users said that the table chart was a little bit too crowded, had too much Chrome. So I added a new section to the settings called style that has three options: show border, stripped rows, and highlight hovered row. So I will disable the first two and keep the last one. And now I can reshare the collection and open it again. And I have my table. Whenever I search, it will search. For example, all the matches where Barcelona played either home or away, and the result was a draw. So this is done. In case you're curious, it's this form. We can also do another thing in the form. We can go to edit, go to settings, and say that we want to show 2 fields per row. And if we set it again to read only, we can see that now the 2 fields are in the same row. We can have at maximum 10 columns for a form. And now if I share it again, I will have the 2 items in the same row, so they won't take a lot of vertical space. And the last thing I wanted to show is how I did it. I have this form that emits a change event, and the select has a pretty complex condition, but is what we want to do is keep only the rows where the home team contains the team from the form, or the away team contains the team from the form, these two, and either result type is not set, which is all, or the result type is the same as the result column from the input. It's a pretty complex condition, but the fact that you can do it and without code is interesting. So the features I implemented today are those: the new list collection type, grid layout for forms, and style settings for tables. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.